Hello friends, in this video I will teach you how to make checkerboard pattern on Pyraminx. So let me explain you first. This is the right and this is left. This is up layer and this is back. So let's start. First we will do left down, then right up at the left side, then left again down, then back we will rotate here. From here we will rotate clockwise, like I have rotated like this. Then we will do right up, then U at right side, then left at down, then back we will again rotate at, will do anti-clockwise, and then right down. So now you can see this is the checkerboard pattern, this and the down here. This is called the checkerboard pattern. So do you enjoy my video? Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.